What's the economic case for replacing 2-liter bottles with a home soda machine? Well, let's take a look. So here's going to be the cost of creating 2 liters of soda with a soda machine over time. So we can see the initial cost of creating the first 2 liters is going to be quite high because you have to buy the machine and the flavoring and the CO2, but that comes down over time. However, because you're creating 2 liters at a time, you have to get the flavor refills quite frequently, actually. And you also have to get the CO2 refills quite frequently as well. So we're just creating a much higher volume of soda here than in previous examples with the 12-ounce aluminum can or the half-liter plastic bottle. So we can just see that if you're creating this much volume, then you're going to have to get flavor refills and CO2 refills more frequently, which means that it may take a little bit longer for the cost to come down. So let's take a look at the total cost over time of SodaStream versus buying 2-liter bottles. So the SodaStream, we can see here, has that initial cost, and you can see our high frequency of having to purchase refills to create that much soda gives it a relatively high trajectory, which is actually pretty close to buying the 2-liter bottles themselves, which is going to be constant over time, about $2 per that 2-liter bottle consistently over time. But we can see that actually over time, between 600 and 700 servings, the SodaStream actually does become more effective. So that's about 13 soda, whether you're going the 2-liter bottle route or you're going the SodaStream route. After around $1,300, the SodaStream is going to be slightly less expensive for every liter after that, and will continue to diverge from buying plastic. So here's the breakdown of what it looks like. To get to that 1,332 liters, we're gonna have to buy the equivalent of 600. That's about 1,000 worth of soda there. Now, to get to that same 1,332 liters from using a soda machine, you have to get the starter pack, the actual machine, which does come with your initial bottles and some CO2. Then you're gonna have to get quite a bit of flavoring. So 38 of these 4-pack of flavorings, that's your biggest expense right there. And then also several of the refills, 18 refills. Your next biggest expense is the CO2 there. Both of these, which you could probably cut down in bulk, but you could probably also do the same here. So there's the comparison after about $1,300 worth of soda, which is quite a lot of soda here. The SodaStream can be more cost effective. So if you're already buying in liters from an economic standpoint, then these are actually quite cost efficient. How long will this take? Okay, to reach this break-even point, this economic break-even point, if you're drinking one 2-liter bottle per week, it could take you 13 years for that SodaStream to become more effective. If you're drinking one bottle every other day, a couple per week, it'll still take you about 3.5 years for the SodaStream to be more cost effective. But if you're drinking one every day, then you can do it in about 2 years.